Namaskar. Today we are here at famous Kamakhya temple on the top of Nilasal Hills, Guwahati, Assam, on the occasion of Devi Kamakhya Nritya Utsav 2020, a festival of Indian classical dance organized by Mukti Mangal and Kalpavriks. We have renowned classical dancers of Assam, Dr. Minanda Borthakur and Sangeeta Ghosh with us, who are the persons behind the show. We will have few Indian classical dancers from various parts of the country who will perform today in front of you. Hope all of you will love it. Thank you.
Namaskar. I'm Mirnanda. Welcome you all to this beautiful, auspicious occasion of Devi Kamakhya Nritya Utsav. This is for the first time we are organizing this Utsav in the line of Khajuraho and Konark Dance Festival. As you all know that the Indian classical dances originate from Naitya Shastra, and all the akhans, all the stories are depicted there are related to the gods. And therefore in the temples, the beautiful and famous temples of all over India, they organize Indian classical dance festivals. So this is for the first time in Kamakhya Dham. We are trying to organize a national Nritya Utsav, a national classical dance festivals, and it is our privilege that today all the Indian classical dances will be performed here. So we are very excited, and we hopefully will organize in the line of Khajuraho, Konark, Mahabalipuram dance festivals. We'll try to organize it every year and make it bigger and bigger and bigger. So thank you so much, and we'll always wish for your acceptance of your love, and please accept our in this classical dance festival, Devi Kamakhya Nritya Utsav. Thank you very much.
Very good evening to everyone. I myself, Sangeeta Ghosh, the director of Kalpavriks. Me and my friend, Dr. Minanda Borthakur, have organized this cultural festival in Assam at Kamakhya Dham. Every year we will be organizing this dance festival as we have thought. Without Kamakhya's blessings, it won't be possible for us to perform this occasion, this festival in this mandir. I bless all happiness and all blessings for everyone all over India, so that we can continue further the festival all through. Thank you.
Panjan. I am happy to be with Minanda Borthakur again at Devi Kamakhya Festival 2020. It's the first time. Hope we will love it. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Kaushik Burbura, the official light arranger of this evening.
Namaskar. শ্ৰদ্ধেয় নৃত্যৰসিক সুধীবৃন্দ, কল্পবৃক্ষ আৰু মুক্তিমংগলৰ হৈ মই ইপ্সিতাই আপোনাসবক দেৱী কামাখ্যা নৃত্য উৎসৱ 2020লৈ আন্তৰিক সম্ভাষণ আৰু আদৰণি জনাইছোঁ। Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Kalpavriks and Mukti Mangal, I, Ipsita, would like to welcome you all to the Devi Kamakhya Nritya Utsav 2020. This Indian classical dance festival under the campaign Apne Desh Se Jude Raho, aimed at promoting various Indian classical dance forms, is supported by Sangeet Natak Academy, Directorate of Cultural Affairs, Incredible India, Department of Tourism, Government of Assam. Radio partner 92.7 Big FM. Kalpavriks is an institute of performing arts with its roots in Sangeeta Nritya Academy that trains students in Bharatnatyam. Kalpavriks is an attempt to promote the Indian classical, folk and contemporary art forms. Mukti Mangal is a socio-cultural organization promoting Indian classical dance and music through performances, seminars and festivals. Today's festival in the most auspicious Kamakhya Dham commemorates Pohon Bia, the wedding of Devi Kamakhya. Kamakhya Deviৰ Pohon Biar সৈতে সংগতি ৰাখি পবিত্ৰ কামাখ্যা ধামত আজিৰ এই অনুষ্ঠানটিৰ আয়োজন কৰা হৈছে। I would now request Dr. Mirnanda Borthakur, Director of Mukti Mangal and eminent Khatriya dancer, and Ustad Bismillah Khan Awardee of Sangeet Natak Academy, to kindly deliver the address of welcome.
নমস্কাৰ দেৱী কামাখ্যা নৃত্য উৎসৱ 2020লৈ আপোনালোক সকলোকে মই স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ আজি আমাৰ সন্মুখত আপোনালোক বিষ্ণু ৰূপে বহি আছে মই আপোনালোক সকলোকে মোৰ আন্তৰিক শ্ৰদ্ধা জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ ভৰতমুনিয়ে নাট্যশাস্ত্ৰ লিখিছিল আৰু তাৰ পৰাই আমাৰ প্ৰতিটো শাস্ত্ৰীয় নৃত্য ভাৰতত 8টা শাস্ত্ৰীয় নৃত্য আছে প্ৰতিটো শাস্ত্ৰীয় নৃত্যৰে উৎপত্তি হৈছে সেই নৃত্যবিলাক যেতিয়া একোজন গুৰুৱে নিজৰ নিজৰ জেগালৈ লৈ গ'ল তাত নিজৰ নিজৰ সোৱাদ লগ হ'ল অসমলৈ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱে ভাওনা আনিলে অন্ধ্ৰপ্ৰদেশলৈ যক্ষগান গ'ল আন জেগাৰ মন্দিৰৰ দেৱদাসী নটি নাচবিলাকৰ পৰা সেই অঞ্চলৰ শাস্ত্ৰীয় নৃত্যবিলাকৰ উৎপত্তি হ'ল কিন্তু উৎপত্তিৰ স্থল একেটাই নাট্যশাস্ত্ৰ গতিকে আহকচোন দৰ্শকবৃন্দ আমি সকলোৱে ভাৰতৰ 7টি শাস্ত্ৰীয় নৃত্য আজি একেখন মঞ্চতে চাওঁ উত্তৰ ভাৰতৰ নৃত্য দক্ষিণৰ নৃত্য মধ্যপ্ৰদেশৰ মণিপুৰৰ উৰিষ্যাৰ সকলোৰে নৃত্যবিলাক আমি চাওঁ যিবিলাক নৃত্যৰ মূল একেটাই নাট্যশাস্ত্ৰ আজি প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে মোৰ বান্ধৱী সংগীতা ঘোষৰ অনুপ্ৰেৰণাত তেখেতৰ আইডিয়াৰে আমি এই অনুষ্ঠানটি অনুষ্ঠিত কৰিবলৈ লৈছোঁ আপোনালোকৰ পৰা ভৱিষ্যতৰ কাৰণে আশীৰ্বাদ বিচাৰিছোঁ যদি মা কামাখ্যাই আমাক আশীৰ্বাদ কৰে আমি প্ৰতি বছৰে খাজুৰাহো কোনাৰক ডান্স ফেষ্টিভেলৰ নিচিনাকৈ এই অনুষ্ঠানটি পাতিবলৈ যত্ন কৰিম আপোনালোকৰ পৰা আশীৰ্বাদ আৰু সহায় সহযোগিতা কামনা কৰি আপোনালোক সকলোলৈকে মই আন্তৰিক শ্ৰদ্ধাৰে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ ধন্যবাদ
ধন্যবাদ বাইদেউ মই আজিৰ বিশিষ্ট অতিথি শ্ৰী কবীন্দ্ৰ শৰ্মা দলৈ শ্ৰী মোহিত শৰ্মা দলৈদেৱক বন্তি প্ৰজ্বলনৰ বাবে আহ্বান জনাইছোঁ I'd also like to request Shri Deepak Joshi, Project Assistant, Sangeet Natak Academy, Northeast Center, and Srimati Meera Das, Tourist Officer, India Tourism, to kindly accompany them. ধন্যবাদ We would now like to felicitate our esteemed guests. এতিয়া আমাৰ বিশিষ্ট ব্যক্তিসকলক সম্বৰ্ধনা জনোৱা হ'ব মই আপোনালোকক পুনৰবাৰ মঞ্চলৈ আহিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ I'll request the organizers to kindly felicitate our distinguished guests. I'd request Shri Deepak Joshi and Srimati Meera Das also to kindly come forward for the felicitation. ধন্যবাদ মই বিশিষ্ট ব্যক্তিসকলক আসন গ্ৰহণ কৰিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ We would now like to release the souvenir. I would request Shri Deepak Joshi, Project Assistant, Sangeet Natak Academy, Northeast Center, and Srimati Meera Das, Tourist Officer, India Tourism, to kindly come forward to release the souvenir. I would also request Dr. Prasanna Gogoi, He is there in the advisory committee of Sangeet Natak Academy to kindly come forward for the release of the souvenir. We would like to felicitate Shri Prasanna Gogoi, who is amongst us, and we are fortunate to have him around. ধন্যবাদ মই আমাৰ আজি অতিথিসকলক আসন গ্ৰহণ কৰিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ I would now request Srimati Mitra So Saha, eminent educationist, to express a few words of gratitude.
Namaskar and a very good evening to all the dignitaries present here. Hoy vote of thanks to Sobor Hekhote Diar Kotha. Kintu Jimanbor cultural performance aji line up kora ase. Heibor Hekhote hote jitu homoy hoi jabo. Tetia sobe ghoroloi joar karone besto hoi jabo. And we would not get an opportunity to thank all those people without which this magical evening would not have been possible. Can you quite a ambience amar sariyofale? It's magical. Iman dhuniya lagise, iman bar Kamakhat ahisu. Then aji kiba beleg eta অনুভূতি হৈছে আৰু আজিৰ এই পৰিৱেশৰ কাৰণে আজিৰ এই নৃত্য অনুষ্ঠানৰ কাৰণে বহুত 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 মানুহ ইনষ্টিটিউশ্যনছ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যনছ সকলক আমাৰ গ্ৰেটিটিউড জনাব লাগিব এণ্ড therefore at the end of this inaugural and the formal section of the program and before we commence the cultural performances I would like to take the name of all those people and the organizations without whom today's evening would not have been possible. And I express this gratitude on behalf of the festival directors, Sangeeta Ghosh, Director Kalpavriksha, and Dr. Mirnanda Bhatthakur, Director Mukti Mangal. First and foremost, a big round of gratitude to Kamakha Debaloy Trust, Doloi Kamakha Debaloy Mohit Chandra Sharma sir, Komindra Sharma sir, ex-Doloi Jodunath Sharma. Our sincere thanks to Sangeet Natak Academy who supported the entire expense of our artists and of course Sangeet Natak Academy, Northeast Center. Thank you Assam Tourism for taking care of the lodging and the conveyance of the artists. Thank you. An incredible word of gratitude to Incredible India, and that is Indian tourism. Our gratitude to Director of Cultural Affairs, Mirnanda and Sangeeta logot kotha hoi asilu, and they said ki jote hiote ei concept loi goise, whether it was Assam tourism or Indian tourism, jote goise, everybody was so appreciative. যে ইমান ধুনীয়া এটা program আপোনালোকে হাতত লৈছে and they have promised their support for all the years to come. আৰু আমি তো আশা কৰিব পাৰো যে হিহঁতৰ লগে লগে আপোনালোকৰ সাপোৰ্টটো থাকিব আৰু যেনেকে কোনাৰ্ক ফেষ্টিভেল, যেনেকে থাঞ্জাভুৰ ফেষ্টিভেল, যেনেকে খাজুৰাহো ফেষ্টিভেল 7 দিন 10 দিন ধৰি হয়, হেনেকে যেন আমাৰ কামাখ্যা দেৱী কামাখ্যা নৃত্য উৎসৱো এদিন এটা আটাইতকৈ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কালচাৰেল ইভেণ্ট হৈ যেন আমাৰ গোটেই দেশৰ মানুহৰ সন্মুখত যেন এইটোৰ খ্যাতি বিয়পি পৰে. This is the brainchild, yes, of the director of Kalpavriksha, but I think it's no more restricted to Sangeeta's dreams. It has now become the dream of every resident of Guwahati, every Assamese in the soil of Assam. We say every artist, every dancer, they pay their tribute to Nataraj. before they commence their performance. We have the Sun Temple where classical dance performances happen. We have the Khajuraho Temple where the classical dance performances happen. Don't you think this, the place of Devi Kamakhya, the wife of Nataraj, is the best place to host a festival of dance? Indeed it is, and therefore, once again coming back to Priya Creation for the beautiful hoardings put up all across Guwahati, 92.7 Big FM, our exclusive radio partner, Assam Tribune, our print media partner, Max Cement, JB's, BNAS. A big thank you to Vinod Soni, the sponsors of the gifts, and of course, last but not the least, to Dr. Shomin Bhartiya, the director of Betikram. So with these words, of course, I cannot forget, how can I forget to mention Banashri Datta Roy, if I am not mistaken. I have to mention here that initially, Sangeeta had planned it in a particular way. But without Banashri, it would not have taken the dimension that it has taken today, because she is a person who works intricately with Spikmake, and therefore she is a person for whom we have all these eminent artists from across India here today in the magical land of Devi Kamakhya. So maybe this is the right moment to felicitate Banashri. Thank you, Banashri. So she was a real support system for both Sangeeta and Mirnanda. So with these words, let's hope that this Nilachal Hills will reverberate with the rhythms of dance, because dance is the hidden language of the soul. Thank you.
Okay, ধন্যবাদ বাইদেউ. We would now move on to the performances. আমি আগবঢ়াবলৈ লৈছোঁ ওডিচি নৃত্য পৰিৱেশন কৰিব শ্ৰীমতী Kavita Dwivedi. Srimati Kavita Dwivedi, daughter and disciple of veteran Odissi maestro Sri Hare Krishna Behera, is indeed one of the most outstanding exponents of Odissi in India today. As a choreographer, she is known for her works in both traditional and contemporary themes, solo and group presentations. Srimati Dwivedi has organized workshops globally and has also conducted lecture demonstrations on behalf of Spikmake all over India. She has been honored with many awards, which include Odisha State Sangeet Natak Academy Award, Mahari Award, and Mahila Shiromani Award. She is the founder-director of Sanchari Foundation Delhi that imparts training in Odissi dance to young aspirants. She had the privilege of performing in almost all the major dance festivals of India, such as Khajuraho, Konark, and Ganga Mahotsav. She had performed in more than 42 countries. I request Srimati Kavita Dwivedi to kindly come forward. We would now like to felicitate our esteemed artist. I would request Devjani Patikar to kindly come forward and felicitate our artist. Thank you. Ahok etia upabhog koro Srimati Kavita Dwivedi Odissi Nritya.
आप सभी को मेरा हार्दिक प्रणाम। जय माँ कामाख्या देवी। आज ओडिसी नृत्य के माध्यम से मुझे ये जो अवसर प्राप्त हुआ है, मैं माँ के चरणों पर ही समर्पण कर अपने नृत्य का प्रदर्शन करूँगी। It's my, I can say it's just a blessings of Ma Kamakhya Devi, and of course a dream of mine and desire to perform inside the Sanctum Sanctorum. Long time back in 2003 when I had come and visited, from that day I had this dream of performing inside and for Goddess Ma Kamakhya. And today, in this new year, I am beginning with the blessings of Ma, and I express my gratitude to Banashriji, who had been a great supporter to me for during her Spikmake's tours, and to Mirnanda, who is really taken all the pains. And I must say, this festival, the Devi Kamakhya Nritya Utsav, is only and only possible because of Ma's blessing. Without her consent, without her blessings, not even a single leaf will move. So definitely for all of us, all the artists, it's like a real blessing to all of us. Thank you. Need your blessings, and with the blessing of my father, I present my first presentation, Sarvam Param Brahmam, highlighting the Bhavani, the goddess, to whom we all surrender on realizing that this materialistic world is nothing but just in the lotus of our heart resides the Shakti, the Param Brahman. My first presentation, Sarvam Param Brahman, Devi Shakti. Then it will be followed by Shiva Panchakshara, and today being very auspicious day, so I will be presenting the second presentation, Shiva Panchakshara. Thank you.
Oh वेदं अमृतं पुरस्तात् ब्रह्म पश्चात् ब्रह्म दक्षिणतः महादुःखभिः संसारपाश प्रवद्धा सदाहम् गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि त्वमेका भवानि त्वमेका स्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि गतिस्त्वं गतिमे भवानि गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका तस्माङ्गरागाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगम्बराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय वीणाकहस्ताय सनातनाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय वीणाकहस्ताय सनातनाय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय
So much, Kavita Dwivedi ji. Next, we have for you a Kathak dance by the renowned artist Srimati Paromita Bhattacharya. I request Srimati Kavita Dwivedi ji once again on the stage. I request you to kindly come to the stage once again. Thank you for such a beautiful performance. Next, we have for you a Kathak dance by the renowned artist Srimati Paromita Bhattacharya. Srimati Paromita Bhattacharya is a professional Kathak dancer and choreographer based in Kolkata and daughter of renowned sarod player Sri Devashish Bhattacharya. and Srimati Sangeeta Bhattacharya, an eminent classical singer. She began her training under the guidance of Guru Professor Amita Dutt, and at present she is taking her intensive talim from Kathak exponent Srimati Madhumita Roy and the legendary Padma Vibhushan Guru Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji. Furthermore, she has regularly attended workshops conducted by Padma Bhushan Srimati Kumudini Lakhia Ji. She has performed at the Uday Shankar Dance Festival, Sadhana Festival at Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi, and others. She has been honored with several awards, including the Konark Nritya Shiromani Award. She has also organized workshops both in India and abroad. I'd request Srimati Parumita Bhattacharya to kindly come forward. I would now request Shri Pranabjyoti Goswami, SP Vigilance and Anti-Corruption, to kindly felicitate our esteemed artist. We would also like to felicitate Shri Pranabjyoti Goswami, SP Vigilance and Anti-Corruption, from the organizers side. Thank you so much.
उपस्थित सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही खुशनसीबी की बात है कि मैं आज यहाँ आके अब सबके सामने मेरा कार्यक्रम पेश करने का मुझे मौका दिया गया है, और इसलिए मैं बहुत ही आभारी हूँ सबसे। मुझे लगता है कि ये जगह, ये मंच जो है, शायद हम लोग ये सिर्फ कॉन्सर्ट करने के लिए नहीं आए। ये एक सेवा है जो मुझे आज सेवा करने का मौका मिला। And I really considered and fortunate, I really consider myself blessed and fortunate to be able to be here. And that's why I would like to thank the entire team of the Kamakhya Nritya Utsav, and thank you so much again for inviting me and giving me this beautiful opportunity. Thank you. I'm presenting Vandana. Then I will present Shuddh Nritya, pure Kathak, based on Tal Teen Tal, and Rag will be Charukeshi and Gayatri. And music direction by my eldest sister, and she's a very good, renowned sarod player, Devashmita Bhattacharya. Need all your blessings. Thank you so much. Narayani Namostute.
भीमा काली जय मां अम्बे, जय जगजननी जय जगदम्बे, मृदंग ध्वनि सुनि प्रसन्न अम्बे।
That was such a delightful performance. Thank you so much, Paramita Bhattacharya. And I would again like to call up on stage Shrimati Meera Das, Tourist Officer, India Tourism, to kindly come forward. This is a small token from India Tourism, which is being handed over by Shrimati Meera Das, Tourist Officer, India Tourism. Thank you once again. Our next item is Manipuri dance by Shrimati Bimbavati Devi. Shrimati Bimbavati Devi, being the daughter of renowned classical Manipuri dancers Sri Bipin Singh and Shrimati Kalavati Devi, was initiated into the world of dance and music at a very tender age. Besides dancing, she has also undergone basic training in Pung, Manipuri rhythm playing, and Thangta, Manipuri martial art. She has performed in various prestigious dance programs and festivals of India and abroad. Besides being a classical dancer, she is now engaged in various choreographies based on Manipuri dance. She has performed at the Khajuraho Festival, Konark Festival, Kalida Samaro, Uday Shankar Festival, to name a few. She has performed in France, Netherlands, Finland, England, Germany, USA, and other countries. She has received Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar from Sangeet Natak Academy. I'd request Shrimati Bimbavati Devi to kindly come forward. We would now like to felicitate our artist. I would request Shri Vinod Soni, art lover, to kindly come forward and kindly do the honors.
এবাৰ কওঁতে তেখেতে সহায় আগবঢ়াইছে জাষ্ট মোৰ এটা ফোন কল এণ্ড হি ইজ ছ' এনথুজিয়াষ্টিক এবাউট ইণ্ডিয়ান ক্লাছিকেল আৰ্ট ইণ্ডিয়ান ক্লাছিকেল ডান্স এণ্ড মিউজিক আই এম ছ' থেংকফুল টু হিম
Thank you, sir. আমি শ্ৰী বিনোদ সোনীকো সম্বৰ্ধনা জনাব বিচাৰিছোঁ। Thank you for all your help and support. Thank you once again. I would now request Srimati Bimbavati Devi to start her performance.
So I'm extremely thankful to the organizers of this beautiful festival and making me a part of this auspicious occasion. I'm indeed blessed, feeling blessed and so happy and honored to be a part of this festival, to be able to perform at this sanctified precinct of Ma Kamakhya. Today I'll be presenting a small production, Shri, the Golden Womb. The Golden Womb, jar shonar garbho. So the various facets of a woman, the various faces of a woman as they are portrayed in our mythology. First we have Usha. It's a huge production, it's a very long production. I have edited it for this festival specially. First is Usha, Amader Chetona, our Chetona the light. Then I have chosen Kamala, beauty, Shaundarja. After that, Annapurna, abundance, food. After that is Kali, devastation, Dhansha. After Kali, our knowledge, wisdom, our Matribhasha. After that, Ganga. Ganga, the holy water whose touch sanctifies all souls. So these are the various facets of a woman which is portrayed in my production, Shri, the Golden Womb. She is Jagat Janani, উনি তো জগৎ জননী আমাদের এবং প্রত্যেকটা জীবের মধ্যে উনি বাস করেন। আজ আমার প্রোডাকশনটা ওনার শ্রীচরণে আমি নিবেদন করছি। আর এখানে the movements which I have used in this production are those of classical Manipuri, Manipuri folk dance and Thangka, the martial art of Manipur. Thank you so much. The music is by N. Tiken Singh, the very renowned choreographer and music director of Manipur. Then the Sanskrit chants are by Srijan Chatterjee. The script is by Srijan Chatterjee. I'm extremely thankful to all the authorities, Vanashwiji, Sangitaji, everyone who is present here, the dignitaries, for giving me this beautiful opportunity. Thank you.
The Creator and His creation are bonded together in an indissoluble bind, like a mother and her child, a life giver and a life seeker, an impenetrable invisible thread, bloodied in the hues of the deepest red. As this timeless saga unfolds, the new life exerts its existence. A restless bird flapping its wings, a fluttering heart beating in its own rhythm. Who is this Divine Mother who carried the holy seed of this incredulous creation in her womb? She is many, yet she is one. I embrace her in my soul. In the pink virgin rays of the morning light, you alight from far away. Hey Usha, traveling across eons of time and space, your pristine steps arouse us from the deep slumber. Life in every form is awakened, each glowing with a new elixir of life.
Thank you for the beautiful performance. মই এতিয়া শ্ৰীমতী মীৰা দাসক এবাৰ মঞ্চলৈ আহিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ. I'd request শ্ৰীমতী বিম্বাৱতী দেৱী to kindly be on the stage for a while. I think there's a small token from India Tourism, and this will be handed over by Shrimati Meera Das, Tourist Officer, India Tourism. And a souvenir as well. Thank you so much.
সবাইকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ. It was a great honor for me to present Shri here at the feet of Ma Kamakhya on this very auspicious occasion. Thank you so much, Meerananda. Thank you so much, Shangita, Monashridi, everyone. Thank you for making this possible. Thank you.
Thank you. এইবাৰ আমি আগবঢ়াবলৈ লৈছোঁ মোহিনীঅট্টম নৃত্য. পৰিৱেশন কৰিব বিশিষ্ট শিল্পী শ্ৰীমতী জয়াপ্ৰভা মেননে. Shrimati Menon is a danseuse with exceptional artistry and a versatile choreographer. She has been groomed by Kalamandalam Saraswati, C.V. Chandrasekhar and Bharati Shivaji. Shrimati Menon's graceful nritya is phenomenal as one can discern the union of the dance and the dancer into a single entity. She has been fortunate to enjoy the guidance of Padma Bhushan Kavalam Narayana Panikar, an acclaimed authority of Sopan Sangeetam. Association with stalwarts like Birju Maharaj, Sonal Mansingh and Raja Radha Reddy in eclectic productions has expanded her vista of the essence of Indian classical dances. National accolades like Nritya Shri and Devadasi Puraskaram have come her way over the past 3 decades. The International Academy of Mohiniyattam, New Delhi, of which she is the director, has been molding young talents strictly in this esoteric style. I'd now request Srimati Jayaprabha Menon to kindly come forward. I would request Sri A.K. Shom to kindly felicitate our esteemed artist. A.K. Shom, President Award winner for Best Teacher and Director of St. Vivekananda English Academy. We would also like to felicitate Sri A.K. Shom. Thank you so much, sir, for making it here.
Namaskaram. I am extremely, I wouldn't say honored, I'm blessed to be in this beautiful and sanctified space. I cannot think of a word to express my feeling because it is so very personal and blessing. I'm presenting an item called Niram. Niram means colors in Malayalam. Niram is colors, and here we have a ritual in Kerala for the Kalamiruthu Patta, which is the drawing of the goddess on the floor using natural colors, 5 natural colors. Here the poet, that is Sri Kavalam Narayana Penkase, has compared or related the Kalamiruthu Patta, the drawing of the Devi goddess, to the micro to the macro form, to the nature. Each color is related to the nature, and she is the micro and that is the macro, and the one and the same. So I present Niram.
Hey, വിളപൊലിയിൽ പുലരി പുള്ളി കൊത്തി മുഖം തെളിയേ ധവളാമൻ ശ്രീധര വിന്യാസം ഋതുവിൻ ലയലഹരി ഇളകും പുൾവനതായിരുവിൻ വിളപൊലിയിൽ പുലരി പുള്ളി കൊത്തി മുഖം തെളിയേ ധവളാമൻ ശ്രീധര വിന്യാസം കൈകൂപ്പട്ടെ കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പട്ടെ ജ്ഞാനാമുലകളിൽ നനഞ്ഞു കുതിരട്ടെ ജ്ഞാനാമുലകളിൽ നനഞ്ഞു കുതിരട്ടെ ജ്ഞാനാമുലകളിൽ നനഞ്ഞു കുതിരട്ടെ
Thank you once again. Etiami Agrahabulu Lusu Kathakali Nritya, and this will be performed by renowned artist Kalamandalam Amarjeet. Kalamandalam M. Amarjeet is a noted Kathakali exponent from Kerala. A post-diploma holder in Kathakali from Kerala Kalamandalam, he has been recognized with a national scholarship and a national fellowship by the Department of Culture, Ministry of HRD. He is an empaneled artist with ICCR and a credit artist of Delhi Doordarshan. He has performed lecture demonstrations and workshops in various educational institutions in India under Speakmaking. He has been awarded the Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar by Sangeet Natak Academy. He has performed in numerous festivals throughout India and has enthralled audiences in France, USA, Netherlands, Spain, South Africa, Cuba and other countries. I would request Shri Kalamandalam Amarjeet to kindly come forward. I would also request Dr. Prapanna Gogol, ethnomusicologist, choreographer and advisor Sangeet Natak Academy Northeast Center, to kindly felicitate our esteemed artist. Thank you so much. We would also like to felicitate Dr. Prapanna Gogol. Thank you so much. Kalamandalam Amarjeet will be performing Daksha Yadam. King Daksha and his wife goes to the river Kalindi. There were many lotus and swans moving around in the river, and peacocks were dancing nearby. King Daksha picks up the conch from the river, and that transforms into Shiva's wife, Sati. On to you, sir.
Sambratam
പാരം കണ്ടേ നൽകേടുന്നു കാണേണ്ടേ നദി
That is was indeed a brilliant performance. Thank you so much, Kala Mandalam Amarjeet ji. I'd request you to be on the stage for a while. I'd request Dr. Meenanda Borthakur to kindly come forward and give the token on behalf of India Tourism. Thank you so once again for the beautiful performance. We would now be presenting Bharatnatyam dance. Ebar Bharatnatyam Nritya Poribekhon Koribo Bishishto Shilpi Shri Rahul Dev Mandale, Assistant Professor of Rabindra Bharati University, Department of Dance. Shri Rahul Dev Mandal is a graded Bharatnatyam artist of Doordarshan and an eminent exponent of the Bharatnatyam style of dance. Disciple of late Shri Tusher De and Shri Khagendra Nath Burman, Shri Dev Mandal has been bestowed with various titles like Shringar Mani, Kala Shiromani, Natya Kala Ratna and others. He has conducted several workshops and seminars on Bharatnatyam and Nritya Yoga Sutra, his two fields of specialization. He has performed at EZCC and several other venues of repute. Shri Mandal has performed at over 50 dance festivals, including Rukmini Devi Dance Festival and Thanjavur Dance Festival. He has also performed in Bangladesh, Singapore and the US on several occasions. Shri Mandal has been the best performer in several dance festivals, the recipient of the State Music Academy Award, among others. Shri Mandal would be presenting Shiva Stuti, Setkutalam Adi and Ragam Revati. I request Shri Rahul Dev Mandal to come to the stage, please. I request Shri Deepak Joshi, Project Assistant, Sangeet Natak Academy, North East Center, to kindly come forward and felicitate our artist. Thank you so much, sir. I request you to kindly take your seat, and on to you, sir, now.
Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namaha. Mahadeva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Shiva Shambho Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho Shri Marakoti Sundara Prabhu Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho Shri Marakoti Sundara Prabhu Shri Mahadeva Shiva Shambho Dini Dini Tatta Dini Dini Tatta Dini Dini Tarikita Tatta Tarikita Tatta Tarikita Tatta Dini Tatta Tarikita Tatta Dini Dini Tatta Dini Dini Tatta Dini Tatta Dini Tarikita Tatta Tarikita Tatta Tarikita Tatta Dini Tatta Tarikita Tatta Prakoti Janapalana सहस्र कोटि जनपालना साधु संरक्षणा पावन साधु संरक्षणा पावन अटवन मुनि जन सकल सुरा सुरतन्नुत पाद किंकिणी झम झम अटाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः।
Thank you so much for the beautiful performance, Rahadev Mandaji. Thank you so much. I request you to kindly be on the stage for a while. I request Dr. Mirnanda Borthakur to kindly come forward and give the token on behalf of India Tourism. Our next item is Kuchipudi dance by Srimati Pratiksha Kashi. Srimati Pratiksha Kashi has trained in Kuchipudi under the guidance of her mother, Srimati Vaijayanti Kashi, a celebrated performer and choreographer. An empaneled artist of ICCR, she has toured various countries not only to perform but also to conduct workshops. She was selected to represent Kuchipudi in the 100-member youth delegation to China by the Ministry of Youth. She recently conducted the In Conversation series with Kathak legend Pandit Birju Maharajji. Srimati Kashi is a graded artist of Doordarshan Kendra. She has been honored with Ustad Bismillah Yuva Puraskar, Sangeet Natak Academy and Medha Janota Puraskar, to name a few. She has released the Kuchipudi DVD titled The Magic of Kuchipudi, featuring the choreographic works of her guru, Vaijayanti Kashi. I would now request Srimati Pratiksha Kashi to kindly come forward. And this is our last reciter of the day. I would now request Srimati Sangeeta Ghosh, eminent Bharatanatyam dancer and director of Kalpavriksha, and also Dr. Mirnanda Borthakur, director of Mukti Mangal, and eminent Katya dancer and Bismillah Khan Yuva Award Puraskar awardee, to kindly felicitate our esteemed artist. Thank you so much. I would now request Srimati Pratiksha ji to kindly perform.
Namaste. I will be presenting Kuchipudi, which is a dance form from the state of Andhra Pradesh. And one of the highlighting features of this style is the Natya, or the theatrical element. Hence, I have chosen to perform Mahishasura Mardhini, which depicts the episode of Mahisha, or the demon, being slayed by the goddess herself. I would like to thank the committee of this wonderful festival for considering me and for giving me this opportunity to present my art in the abode of goddess herself. Mahishasura Mardhini.
नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
I think there couldn't have been a better way to wrap up today's event. Thank you so much for such a delightful performance, Pratiksha Kashiji. Thank you so much. I request you to kindly be on the stage. I request Dr. Meenanda Borthakur to kindly come forward and give the token on behalf of. I'd also request Shrimati Sangeeta Ghoshji to kindly hand over the token on behalf of India Tourism. Thank you once again. Distinguished guests, this brings us to a close of the events we have lined up as part of the Devi Kamakhya Nritya Utsav 2020. We are grateful to you all for your gracious presence and kind support. It is our sincere hope that you enjoyed the performances. And special thanks to Kaushik Borbara for lights, Uma Kanta for stage decor, and Anjan Leka for photography.